Welcome to Milo's AI, and thank you for joining us in this 6-series short courses. You've made it to the final installment, where we'll discuss how to effectively publish your AI-generated content and track its performance, no matter if it's a blog, a set of images, or a short video project. First, consider your publishing strategy. If you've written a detailed article on eco-friendly practices, posting it on your website or blog can boost your search engine visibility. Use catchy headlines, relevant keywords, and a meta description to help people find you. If you created custom images in Sora or Leonardo, embed them within the article to break up large chunks of text. Share the link on social media platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook to drive additional traffic. Next, for visual platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, select your best AI-generated images or video clips. Keep captions short but informative, and include hashtags that match your niche, like our eco-friendly or sustainable business. Short, engaging video reels also tend to perform well if you've used a platform like Lumen 5. Once your content is live, it's time to measure success. Look at metrics that matter for your business goals. This could be website page views, social media engagement, likes, comments, shares, or conversions, like people signing up for your newsletter or purchasing a product. Tools like Google Analytics, built-in social media insights, or third-party apps help you understand what's resonating with your audience. If something doesn't perform as expected, don't fret. One of the biggest advantages of AI is that you can quickly tweak and redeploy your content. Maybe you'll adjust the headline, add new images, or shorten a video to make it more appealing. Keep track of any changes you make and compare your results over time to find the winning formula. Lastly, maintain a consistent publishing schedule. People will come to expect regular updates, and consistent content keeps your brand top of mind. If you're short on time, remember AI can handle much of the heavy lifting so you can focus on strategic decisions. That brings us to the end of our series on AI-powered content creation for small businesses. I hope these insights help you streamline your creative process and stand out in today's crowded digital space. If you enjoyed these videos, be sure to subscribe to Milo's AI for more tips on leveraging technology to grow your business. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued success.